Hi guys, welcome to Crazy Cool Russian. Today we start your Russian journey from zero, lesson 1. Don't worry, Russian is easier than it looks. By the end of this video, you know your first letters, words, and even say your name in Russian. Let's go! Russian has 33 letters, but here is the good news. Some letters look exactly like English ones and sounds the same. Let's learn our first 10 letters together. And now repeat after me. A, like A in car. O, like O in not. O. M, like M in mom. M. K, like K in kitten. K. T, like T in table. T. N sounds like N in name. N. R sounds like R in red, but you roll it. R. S sounds like S in sun. S. Y like Y in yes. Y. E like E in machine. E. Great! You already know 10 Russian letters. Not scary at all, right? Now let's learn your first real Russian words. Repeat after me. Pronunciation is a K. Привет. Hello. Привет. Пока. Bye. Пока. Да. Yes. Да. Нет. No. Нет. Спасибо. Thank you. Спасибо. Пожалуйста. You're welcome. Пожалуйста. Now let's use them in short mini dialogues. Привет. Привет. Как дела? How are you? Хорошо. Good. In Russian, to say my name is, you say меня зовут and your name. For example, меня зовут Роман. And to ask what is your name, you say как тебя зовут. Let's make a simple conversation. Привет. Привет. Как тебя зовут? Меня зовут Роман. Очень приятно. Nice to meet you. Мне тоже приятно. Nice to meet you too. Perfect. You just had your first conversation in Russian. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me loud and clear. Привет. Меня зовут and your name. Очень приятно. Спасибо. Пока. Try saying these 5 lines every day. The more you speak, the faster you learn. Let's review what we learned today. 10 Russian letters, 6 new words, your first conversation. And now your homework. Practice saying the alphabet aloud. Write your name in Russian letters. Watch this video again and repeat every phrase. You did amazing today. Next time we'll continue with more letters and learn how to ask "How are you?" in different ways. See you soon. Пока.